This 2023 Coachmen Chaparral 375 BAF is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Scott, Louisiana, 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Coachmen is 42 feet 6 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a silver beach interior, sleeps 10, DVD player, stovetop burner, slideout, skylight, microwave, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, awning, oven, auxiliary battery, and 48 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear bath, 2 full baths. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Chaparral 375 BAF is 12,206 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.